Which step helps marinade absorb? Answer: poking holes. Which fish is high in good fats? Answer: salmon. Which fungus is a popular protein? Answer: mushrooms. How can we preserve vitamin C? Answer: avoid excess heat. Which sea plant is nutrient-rich? Answer: nori. Which nut has healthy fats? Answer: almond. How can we preserve basil leaves? Answer: make pesto. Which spice is used for warmth? Answer: ginger. Which bean is often fermented? Answer: soybean. Which fiber aids regular bowel? Answer: soluble fiber. What boosts flavor in soups? Answer: vegetable stock. Which nut is often pressed for oil? Answer: peanut. Which sweetener is unrefined? Answer: raw honey. Which sweetener is plant-based? Answer: agave syrup. Which leaf is rich in antioxidants? Answer: green tea. Which method extracts juice gently? Answer: cold pressing. What can add umami to vegetarian dishes? Answer: mushrooms. Which dairy is known for tanginess? Answer: buttermilk. Which snack can ease heartburn? Answer: ginger biscuit. Which dairy item is lactose-free? Answer: lactose-free milk. Which leaf is commonly used for wrap? Answer: cabbage. Which vitamin improves collagen? Answer: vitamin C. How to keep homemade pesto vibrant? Answer: add extra oil. Which method retains food nutrients? Answer: steaming.